Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions and today I'm going to teach you how to replace your Bose QuietComfort 35 earpads. The first step will be to remove the old earpads. To easily remove them, simply hold the earpad with 2 fingers from the inside and pull to the opposite side. If this is the first time you are removing the earpads, it might feel a little harder than how it looks on the video, but simply be gentle until you hear the clicking sound which releases the earpad. The next step is not a must, but we do recommend that you do it if you own your headphones for more than a year. If not, you can simply do this at a later stage since the earpads can be easily removed and installed back on. In the package, you will receive a right and left side screen cover. You can easily replace it by removing the old one and sticking the new one at the same position it was. Now grab the replacement earpads that you received and I will show you how to put it back on. In this video, I will be using our snow camo earpads and I will also show you our geo gray earpads as well. The way that the earpads are attached in the Bose QC35 is by a set of hooks that hold the earpad in place. Around the headphone cup there are 10 hooks. On the back of the earpad there is a plastic ring that holds the earpad in place. That ring must go underneath all 10 hooks in order for the earpad to stay in place. Now grab the earpad comfortably with your pointing finger leading the way and we will start with the top hook. Once you get 3 to 4 hooks in, the rest is pretty easy. Every time you insert the ring under the hook, you will hear a clicking sound which means it is successfully in. Align the earpad and then simply expose the plastic ring by slightly pulling the cushion backwards. That will make it easier for you to push the pad under the top hook. After you got the first hook, use your finger to push the ring under the other hooks. Now we are going to repeat the same process on the other side and we are done. Now I'm going to do a little test by shaking the headphones from the earpads just to see if they are firmly in place, and it seems that they are. And that is it! You have successfully replaced your Bose QC35 earpads. I hope that this video was helpful and I hope that you get to enjoy your headphones. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us or ask them in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to our channel and get updated about new how-to videos that we release every month.